This summertime weather means families will be heading outdoors. Public pools may be closed, but that doesn't mean there won't be anywhere to swim. Family pools, places like lakes and ponds will be busy and the risk of accidents will rise. The experts at Holston Medical Group have some advice for families to keep their young ones and their older children safe.
They can get away and drown in less than 30 seconds. That it's silent.
All it takes is an opportunity and mere seconds, and lives are changed forever. Dr. Jessica Hommel, a pediatrician with Holston Medical Group, says drowning is the #1 cause of death for children ages 1 through 4 and the #2 cause of death for ages 5 through 19. Her friend's son, Levi Hughes, drowned in a pool while the Hughes family was on vacation. Hommel says it was a wake-up call for the Tri-Cities.
I think Levi's story made it not just a statistic, it made it a real child, a real family.
Levi's tragic story has turned into the organization Levi's Legacy that educates people on proper security and supervision around a pool and the importance of kids being confident around water without flotation devices. Dr. Hommel says backyard pools need multiple layers of protection.
Deadbolts on the doors that the kids can't reach. They need locks that are on gates that self-close so this gate can't stay open. They need pool alarms, that can be used in conjunction with other things, but that's not enough. And they really need a four-sided fence.
And believe it or not, COVID-19 may have an effect on drowning statistics.
More people are turning to things like going to the lake or hiking around creeks. They're looking for vacation homes.
Most places will not have a lifeguard on duty. Even a backyard pool can be dangerous if a parent is distracted by work and a child finds an opportunity to sneak out. Dr. Hammond says there's no one magic answer, rather layers of protection.
There needs to be an adult with their eyes on them at all times, that not just when they're, in the water, but when you're unloading the groceries, when you're sitting at home trying to work and the pool's in the backyard, anytime kids have access to water, there needs to be supervision.
Supervision that will hopefully prevent losing another child.
Swimming lessons starting at 6 months old. That is the new rule from the American Pediatric Association. Kids need to learn survival skills, like being able to turn over onto their back if they